This is Frank Skinner. This is
Absolute Radio.
Speaking of fandom, by the way, I got sent a book today which actually, even in my illness, made me go onto my toes. I went right up onto my toes with excitement. And it's a book about Doctor Who and the Daleks and a sequel, which was two films which were made as unofficial Doctor Who films with Peter Cushing as a man called Doctor Who, is actually his surname. And they are brilliant. And it's a book about those and the pictures in it. I just want to say, it's a beautiful thing. If you know anyone who likes Doctor Who, I would get them. And it was sent to me by John Walsh, who I think did the whole book and everything. It's a stunner. It's an absolute stunner. It's made. I've had some nice Christmas presents today come to the thing. Yeah, but I'll stagger them, lest I should sound like some sort of Lord Bountiful.
I was going to say, good for you.
Yeah, sorry guys.
As Christian Bale
I'm
once
holding
said,
back
whenever.
because normally when Doctor Who is raised, it infuriates Emily when I'm on.
I don't.
We disappear down a cul-de-sac.
No, I think it's fine.
If you and your friend want to share ribald anecdotes into the night, I'm quoting from a W.C. Fields film now, I apologise.
I got my photo took with Jodie Whittaker and David Tennant the other week at the Winter Comic Con. That was pretty special.
I got very emotional at William Russell. Am I getting the name right? William Russell,
William Russell.
Popping up again.
Ian Chesterton.
Yes. It's the longest gap ever between a character appearing on TV.
He broke a record. You'll be interested in this, Emily.
Oh, yeah, sorry, what's happening? I am listening.
The biggest gap between a character reappearing in a television programme. And it was
something like 59 years.
Oh,
and he's still alive. He's 96. By all accounts, he's still sharp as a tack.
Oh.
Did I tell you? I don't know if I told you.
Has he still got the same style? I like it when gentlemen of a certain age, they never really, their style, they fixed it in the 70s. Fair enough. And they've still got a sideburn, a white sideburn.
Yes, it's...
Do you like that, Frank?
He's retained that, certainly. Did I tell you that on the 23rd of November... Did I tell you this, Em? I don't think Steve was on that week. But on the 23rd of November at 5:16, which is when the first Doctor Who was broadcast, I sat and played the original theme to myself in my attic, just to say, Ron Gray and Adelia Derbyshire, that one.
How lovely. Was it just you then on your own?
Just me on my own, which is...
Did you have the heating on, or was it just...
I'll tell you something, though. I'll tell you something about Comic-Con. I've never known any place on earth where everyone of all interests and of whatever you are, whoever you are really properly embraced and welcome. It's a beautiful, beautiful... I know you mock it,
do.
But it is so accepting. It started the accepting culture before it became a cool thing to talk about. So what about that?
Frank Skinner on Absolute Radio.